So we got midnight out here, just got in from a long trip. I'm gonna be installing something small but special for you guys. All right, we got some sweet Acuity shifter base bushings. I was sold on the reviews, honestly, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install these today on a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic Si. So next, what we need to do, we need to take this whole assembly off right here. So you pry up right on the side, come up towards you, go ahead and work on the other side, pull up, make your way towards the back, and it should come up like so. You have access to 1, 2, 3 shift bushings right there. So we have our ratchet with a 12 millimeter and an extension. We're gonna go ahead and start loosening up these stock bushings here. There's one right there. I'm actually going to pop this piece off right here. All right, got the first bushing out. Look at how shot this thing looks. It's just like a cheap rubber right there. You guys can see there's an opening right there, and all I did to do that was I took an Allen wrench, and I still have to do these two. I took the Allen wrench, I got the silver metal piece out in the middle by pushing down, and then I was able to take a carbon scraper, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. Simply just, that was kind of hard to see, pry the bushing out of there from the top. You're gonna want to take a towel or a microfiber or something and wedge it in. There's a crack down below there where stuff can fall through. So you take this clip out, the metal clip, make sure that it's facing downwards, these 2 points right here. About to bring this thing out for a rip. I can already tell, like, it feels so precise. Also, I have my new Chime online bank card, guys. If you're looking for an online bank in addition to your current bank, you want a bank for savings or another bank for checkings, I highly recommend these guys. Chime, you just download their mobile app, and then I'm going to provide a link down below. All my YouTube money and funds are going to be going into the Chime account, so I'm going to save every week with that. You could take a certain percentage, and the coolest thing is, if you invite your friends and you sign up, which you should because it's definitely a really good deal. I'm waiting on, I already made like $100 extra because you get $50 every person that you recommend. So if you guys sign up, I get 50, you get 50 bucks. You need to have a direct deposit of $200 within 45 days for us both to be eligible for the 50 bucks. So hop on the opportunity, guys. I was sketched out at first about it. My girl uses it. A couple people at my work use it. Another few family members I know use it, and they all recommended it to me. Also, if you like the Acuity install, let me know. I have their shift bushings already, combined it with their base bushings. I wish they made a cold air intake for the 8th gens, because the 9th gen cold air intake for them is absolutely phenomenal. So definitely check them out. Give me a like, drop your comments down below, and subscribe for some more Honda content, guys. I'm really focusing on a lot of interviews lately. I have another few cars I need to interview, as well as trying to get more mods for this thing slowly but surely. And like I said, if the funds are good this winter, expect to see another engine on the side. Definitely shooting for the TSX 06 to 08 K24A2, man. I love the specs on it. I think it would be a sick build with the 8th gen, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully everything goes good. If not, it is what it is. There's always next year, but keep doing your thing. And remember, never stop wrenching. All right, let's take it for a rip, see how it shifts. Feels so much better. Like that little added stiffness in the precise shifts, like it feels like it just slips right into gear, but in a very good way. Like I can't describe to you how this feels without you actually having it, but when I'm going to tell you something like a product is worth the money, it's definitely worth the money.